What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to participate in the daily theme challenge on Midjourney. As you know, Midjourney is a popular platform on which you can generate images based on prompts that you enter or details that you enter, and you need to subscribe to a plan, so you cannot use it for free, and there is not an option for a free trial anymore. There used to be one, but there is not anymore. However, once you are subscribed to a plan, you want to navigate to the daily theme channel on the Midjourney's Discord server, and then there is like a theme for the day which is located next to the channel's name. And then in this channel you want to begin generating your writing your prompts, and then ensuring that it has at least one of this day's keywords, and then generate images based on this theme, and you will be able to see the other generations of the other members, and then by then you will be entered in the daily theme challenge on Discord.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.